Welcome to a new video. In this tutorial I will show you step by step how to install Oracle Apex 24.1 with the Oracle Database 21c. In this video I will show you how to configure the database, how to install the Apex and the internal password and unlock all the different users, and how to configure the ORDS. At the end I will also show you how to create Oracle Apex workspace and how to create a test application. So in this video I will also show you, as you can see here, we have here different files from where we download it and how we have to configure and install this. Furthermore, as you can see here, we have successfully installed the Oracle Apex 24.1 in combination with the Oracle Database 21c Enterprise Edition, and here is the result. This is the application which is also successfully running here. Furthermore, as you can see here, the ORDS configuration is also running here in the background, and all of these information you will also find here in this blog post. I will put the link here in the video description so you can easily copy and paste all the different codes. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see here, this is my virtual machine. Here I have prepared all the different files which we need here for the installation. You can see I have here Oracle Apex, ORDS, SQL-Developer, and also the database. Furthermore, you can see here two different Java files we also needed. All of these zip files I have already unzipped and put this here in the C drive folder. Here you can see Apex, ORDS, and SQL-Developer, and also here the database. So, but first, before we start, what we have to do is to install these both Java files. So I will start here first with these Java files. So I will double click, open and confirm, and then I can install very easy and very fast the first Java software. It will also install it very fast, so it don't take too much time. So after that's done, then we can open the second file, also confirm this, and can install it. So the second Java is also successfully installed. The next step is to extract all of these zip files. You can see here on the right, I have already extracted, but what I can do now is also rename the files. For example, rename the folder. For example, the first is Apex, the second will be ORDS, the third is SQL-Developer, and then the last will be, for example, DB Home, where the database 21c is stored. So I will open the DB Home, scroll down, and then I will open the setup window. I confirm this, and then this is the installation window. We have to wait a little bit, then a new window will appear. It will take a little bit time. And now you can see here the window for the Oracle Database 21c is opening. What we can also prepare in the meantime here is a text file to save all the information. For example, the file is node. I will open this, and then so here in the installer we select the first option, click on the next button. On the second, here's step number 2, also desktop class is okay, then click on the next button, use virtual account, then next, and then it take a little bit. This is very important. Then you can see if I go back here to the C drive directly, here we have Apex, DB Home, SQL-Developer, and ORDS. So here what we want is a new folder with the name. The name is DB base. So you can see our software location is DB Home. Our database file location is under the DB base or a data folder. The database edition is also okay. Character set is also okay. The global database name I will replace into RCL and delete the other thing. So the password I will write here, username is sys, is dbr, the password is, for example, this one. Also we have here a bigger big letter, then we have here a number, and then we have here special character. Then our DB name is OCL. I will also save here global database name, and then we have here the container ORCL PDB. So now I will copy here the password and paste it here in the installer, and then you can see the important thing is that we have here the ORCL, and here in the container we have here our database name is ORCL PDB. After all of them is correct, then you can click here on the next button. Yeah, it's okay. And at the end you see here is a summary. You can check if all things are perfect, then you can click here on the install button. And yeah, it will take a little bit time, so I will make a short break and come back if the installation is finished. So during the installation, if the firewall security alert will open, then you can easily allow the access. So after the installation is done, you can see here the other buttons are gray, only the close button is clickable. And here you can also see this link, so we can copy the link and open in Google Chrome. So I will copy the link, click here on the close button, open the Google Chrome, paste the link and open the website. Then, okay, it's not secure, but if you click here the advanced part, then you can open the website. Here I have to enter the username is sys. I will copy the password and then click here on the login button. Then you can see here in few seconds the details are loading, and now you can see the Oracle database is successfully installed, and yeah, here are all the different information. We can also do another thing, so I will close the Google Chrome and go to the C drive, to the SQL-Developer, scroll a little bit down, right click here on the SQL-Developer and send to the desktop. So at the end you have here a shortcut directly to the SQL-Developer. I will open the SQL-Developer and will create a new connection to the system admin database. So first time it will take a little bit time, but you can also see here the SQL-Developer has the version 23.1.1, and yeah, we have to wait a little bit. So then click here on the No button. And then in few seconds it should be open. So after it's open, then you can see on the left side there are the connection. Click here with the right click and then new connection. Then we can write here, for example, sysadmin. The username is sys and the role is sysdbr. For the password we can copy easily and paste here. I will click here also here in the checkbox to save the password. The connection type is basic, hostname localhost, port number, and then here on the service name I write here to ORCL, and then click here on the test. Then you will see the status is success, and then yeah, I can save this. So it's saved, then I click here on the connect, and then you can see now we have created successfully a new connection. We are also connected, and if I want I can also write here some queries, or I can show you here if I open the table, and yeah, all of these tables are currently here in this schema. So with that we have a confirmation that Oracle database is successfully installed. So the next step is to install Oracle Apex, but before I do this I will also set here some environment variable. So I go here to the environment variable and then go here to the path and then click here on the edit button, and then I have to put here also some another path. So I go again here to the C drive, go to the program files, then I go here to the Java folder, and then you can see here we have here different folder, but I will take this one and then go here to the bin files. Then I will copy the path and come back here to the edit environment variable, click here on the new button and will paste this. So we need here two paths. The first is this one what I have pasted, and then I will click again here on the new button and will paste, but this time I will delete the bin folder, so it means I will only have this second part. So after this, both two new paths are created here, then I can click on the OK button, then again OK, and last time also OK. And that is very important, we need it later. So the next step is to install Oracle Apex. So I go here to the C drive, also here to the C drive, then go here into Apex folder, again into Apex, and then you can see here this SQL file, so we have to run this. For this I go here to the URL path, right here cmd, make enter, and then you can see I'm automatically here in the correct path. And here I can write SQL plus, make enter, then I have to write here this, the username and also the password. And now you can see I'm logged as a sys administrator to the database, and also I'm directly here in this part. So you will easily find all the code here in the blog post. I will put the link in the video description. Normally we can enter directly this code, but before I run this code, I will show you also some another thing. So first I will show you here, you can see we have here the PDBS, then I will change the session and set this one is my container. So if I run again the show PDBS, and then you will see now we are here in this container. After that I can also check the version of the database, and then you can see we are currently working on the Oracle Database 21.3 Enterprise Edition. And yeah, we can also check the status of the instance, and you can see this is also open, this is perfect. Then we can also check the table space, and then you can see here these table space are also online. You remember during the installation we define here the database home, the data DB base. If I go here and then go to the Aura data, and then you will see all these different table spaces here. In the next step we can check, okay, how is the size of the table space, is it enough or not. So you can enter this SQL command, and then you can see, okay, there, for example, for this table space, how many spaces there, and also for the other one. I'm only currently checking this two table space because we need it now. So if I copy and paste this one, then you can see our Apex installation will be done here in this table space, and this is the temp, so you can also see here. So after this I will press the enter button, and then Oracle Apex should be started with the installation. So it will take a little bit time. I will make here a short break and come back if the installation is done. So as you can see now, the Oracle Apex installation is done. You can also see here at the end where it's coming, thank you for installing Oracle Apex 24.1. If you see this and also here are the time, then you are sure that Oracle Apex installation is finished. So now I will close this, so I will write here exit. Okay, after Oracle Apex is successfully installed, there are also two another things related to Oracle Apex which we have to do. So I go here to the path and write here cmd, press enter, then you can see here I'm automatically in the correct path. So now I will write here SQL plus, enter, and have to write the username and then the password. So after this I will show you the currently we have here two container, and I have to change the session, the container. Now I have changed. If I make a show PDBS, then you can see now here I am currently in this container. So here I have to run this script. You can also easily copy and paste the script. So with this script we have to define for the Oracle Apex internal workspace the username and the password. So I press enter, and then the username will be admin. So I can write here, for example, Apex internal workspace login. The username is admin, and the password I will define the same password. So here admin is default, so I press enter, and this is the email I set it before. Okay, I can for example set a new email, enter, and now I have to enter the new password. So I will copy this and paste it here and then press enter, and then you can see the password of the instance administrator admin is successfully changed. This was the first file which we run. There is also another file. So the next file is also exist here in the same folder. So I have copied this and will paste this. This is the apex rest config.sql file. So I press enter and enter password for the listener. So I will copy again the same password for all things. So I press here the right mouse button, then press enter, again paste the password, press enter. So that was these two different files. You can also easily find the code here in the blog post. I will paste the link in the video description. There is also another thing. For example, you can see if I write here the select username and so on, and press enter, and so you can see here the Oracle Apex 24.1 user is locked. So in the next step, what we will do, we will unlock all the different users which are locked. So I will close this here and open a new CMD here, write SQL plus, and then I will write here the username and the password. Username, and here is the password. So after this, you can again easily copy and paste from the blog post. So I will first of all write this one, then make enter, then copy the next, paste it, press enter, and also this one. So after this 3 SQL statement, I will change the container. So press this one, and now here I have also 4 different SQL statement. Then I will paste it here, press enter, and also the second one, and here the third one, and at the end the last SQL statement, alter statement, what also is here directly for the Apex user which was locked. So I press enter, and now at the end I can also make a commit, and all of the user are successfully unlocked, and the password I set here is the same which I used every time here in this video. And now I can exit this and then go to the next step to install the ORDS. Go back here to the C drive and then go here to the ORDS. So the next step is to install the ORDS, and again, but before I install the ORDS, I will show you something. So I will open here the CMD, and you can also copy and paste very easily the code. So first of all, I logged again in SQL Plus with this user. So press here on the enter button, and then I will enter the password. And now you can see I'm logged. Here I can run this command, this SQL query, and then you can see here this is also the current status. With this command you can see it's already open, but I enter again to make sure that it's if it's closed, that it should be open. And then again copy and paste this here. System entered, we can exit here, and then we can check here again the status. So you can see all of the instances are ready. So I will close now here this one, you can write here exit and go here to the ORDS folder and write here CMD and open. So you can see I'm automatically here in the correct path. Then we need to copy and paste another command. So I copy the code and will paste it here. And I will make this a little bit bigger. So you can see here are the 3 options, and we will select the first option and then enter. Then you can see enter the database hostname. This is localhost, this is okay. We can press the enter button. The database listen port is also okay, and the service name ORCL, we have to replace this. So then we can replace here the service name rclpdb, and then press enter button, and then we have to write here the username and the password. And now here we come to the main settings. So you can see here on the number 1 there is the connection type basic is okay. On the number 2 we have here the basic connection with the port name and the service name, it's also okay. Then we come here to the number 3 password for the ORDS. Then I will define this, so I will press the number 3 button here and then press enter. Specify your own password, then press S, enter, and then we can define here the new password. So for all the different username I will define the same password, so it's also easy for me. So I will paste the password, enter, confirm the password, and then again enter. How I'm entering the password, I copy the password and then click here with the right mouse click on the CMD window command. So then we check here the next. So you can see now on the number 3 the database password for the ORDS is now set. Then we go to the number 4 ORDS schema tables, or also default is sysex and temporary stamp is also okay. On the 5 additional future is also okay. On the number 6 is also okay. Number 7, 8 is also okay. Then we come here to the number 9 Apex static resource location. So we have to set this with the number 9, but before I press the number 9 we have to do here something. You can see this is my ORDS folder. So I open here a new folder and go to the C drive and then go to the Apex, again Apex, and then image. So you can see we need this image. I will copy the images here directly to the ORDS. So I make here Control C and then Control V for paste. So after all the images are directly here in the ORDS, then I can copy this path. So you can see here is the path. So I need this path, I will copy this, and during the copy I can work on this. Then I will select here the number 9, press enter, and then I will define here the path of the images. So I have to remove and make this with the backslash. So C ORDS and then images, and then press enter. And then you can see here on the number 9, now we have here defined the location, and then accept or exit. Okay, I will wait here a little bit or make a short break after all the images are copied here in the ORDS folder, and if it's done then I come back here and will press the A button. We'll confirm this. Okay, now you can okay, all the images are successfully copied here in the ORDS folder. So it means if now I select here the A, or I don't need to press the A button, I can easily make here enter, and then the ORDS should be installed. So it will take again a little bit time. So I will make here a short break and come back if the ORDS installation is done. So during the installation, if you see again here the firewall message, then you can easily allow the access. As you can see here, the ORDS configuration is done, and with this message, so we can start here over the Google Chrome, the Oracle Apex. So I will show you also here what happened here in the background here in the CMD console. For example, if I write here localhost port 8080, then press enter, and now you can see here the Oracle Apex is successfully opening. So now I click here on the Oracle Apex Go button, then you can see now I can log into the Oracle workspace, but currently I don't have any workspace. First of all, I have to go to the internal workspace and create a new workspace. So I go here to the administration, enter the admin and this password, which we define during the installation. Then I click here on the sign in button. Then I will create here a new workspace, for example with the name test, and then click here on the next button. The schema name is also the same, the password is also the same every time I write test. Then I click here next, then again test, 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 here also test. Then click on the next button, and then I can see all these different details, and then create the last time on the create workspace. So at the end, a new workspace is successfully created, and I can log out from here and can log in here with the test username, test and test, sign in. So first of all, I have to replace or change the username password. So I can enter the same password and then click here on the change password. And now you can see Oracle Apex workspace is open. Here you can see on the bottom side also Oracle Apex 24.1 is running. So we will go here to the app builder and install an example application. So here, for example, I will install the sample charts. So I will click here on this button, and then in a few seconds this example should be successfully installed. So after the example charts application is successfully installed, then we can go back here to the main Oracle Apex, to the app builder, and can see here is the application. So if I run this application, my username and password are test, then I will sign in, and then you can see here this is the application and it's also successfully installed. And yeah, that's all in this video. For example, if I closed this Google Chrome and also this one, then you can see if I restart here Oracle Apex, the application will not open. Localhost port 80 press enter. So you can see nothing happening because the ORDS is not running. So as you can see, Oracle Apex is not working because the ORDS is not running. So to do this, first of all, I will close this notepad and create here a new batch file and open first of all here. So I have to open here the notepad, and the code is also ready. So normally what we have to do is we have to go here to the ORDS folder and have to run something, but you can easily copy all of the code from the blog post. So you can see first it navigates directly to the C drive, and then it run this command. So we can save this directly here on the desktop with the file name, for example start ords.batch, and save this. And now you can see here this is our Oracle Apex ORDS starting batch file. So if I run this, and now you can see the ORDS is running. It will take here a few seconds, and after that also Oracle Apex should be work. So I make this bigger, and now you can see Oracle Apex is also working. So if I again log in, and then I will see here my application and can run it. And that's all in this video. I hope you know how to install Oracle Apex 24.1 with the database 21c. So if you have any question, then you can write me here in the comments, and thanks for watching.